if at all you have been struggling to connect your desktop to Wi-Fi, then this is the only tool that you need so that you can get wireless network, that is Wi-Fi. Majority desktops don't come with Wi-Fi inbuilt, and you'll need an external device for you to get connected to the internet. So that's where this device comes in, and this is called a Wi-Fi dongle. So you can buy it. It is very cheap from any local electronics or computer shop, and then you'll have just to plug into a USB port on your CPU, and then it will connect to Wi-Fi. So I want to show you how you can set this, and this might not apply only on desktop. Maybe you also have a laptop that can't connect to Wi-Fi. Then the best way to go is to buy a Wi-Fi dongle such as this. So let me show you how you can set up your Wi-Fi using the Wi-Fi dongle. And as you can see, this is my desktop that I want us to connect this Wi-Fi. So I'll go ahead and plug this into a USB port on my desktop, and immediately you'll see we shall have available Wi-Fi networks. Now first, let me show you the internet connection on our computer without the Wi-Fi dongle. Currently, I have the Ethernet internet connected on my desktop. However, if we tap on this network, you can see the only available network is the Ethernet cable. I don't have the Wi-Fi. I'll go ahead and plug in my computer, and then you'll immediately see the changes here. So that's the Wi-Fi dongle connected. And as you can see, immediately I connected it, the wireless network feature was enabled. And now you can see how Wi-Fi and the available Wi-Fis are here now. And you can even do a hotspot here. So I'll go ahead and connect now to my wireless network. And let's see if it will connect. And look at that, we are connected. So let me go ahead and remove the Ethernet cable so that you can see that I still have the internet. Now look at that. It immediately changed to Wi-Fi, and now here Wi-Fi is available on my computer. So if you have been struggling with this, all you need to do is to go and buy this Wi-Fi dongle and then plug onto your computer or your laptop, and you'll be good to go. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.